You are staring at it right now, aren't you? That black void where your life used to be. Your photos, your texts, your emails, that unfinished note, that level in a game you finally beat. It's all just gone. It's sitting there in your hand, cold, unresponsive. The black screen of death. It sounds dramatic because it feels dramatic. Panic is setting in. You're thinking about the cost of a new phone. You're thinking about whether you backed up your data. You're pressing the power button and praying for that white Apple logo, but nothing is happening. Stop. Take a breath. Put the credit card away. Do not book a Genius Bar appointment yet, because right now, in the next 10 minutes, I am going to save your phone. I am going to walk you through exactly how to bring that brick back to life, step by step, method by method, starting from the duh, I can't believe I didn't try that fixes, all the way to the okay, we need to do some surgery options. I've fixed hundreds of these, and 95% of the time, it's not broken. It's just sleeping, a very, very deep coma-like sleep. So, grab your lightning cable, maybe a laptop, and let's perform a resurrection. First things first, we have to rule out the most embarrassing, yet most common culprit, the false alarm. Sometimes, the logic board in your iPhone just gets confused about how much power it actually has. It thinks it's dead when it isn't, or it died silently without showing you the plug me in graphic. So, grab your charger, not just any charger. Do not use that frayed gas station cable you keep in your car. Grab the official Apple brick and cable or a high-quality certified one. Plug it into a wall outlet, not your laptop USB port. We want raw, unadulterated power. Plug it in. Now, look at the screen. Is anything happening? No? Good. That's normal. If the battery is deeply discharged, it can take up to 20 minutes before the charging symbol even appears. I want you to leave it alone. Walk away, go drink some water, give it 15 solid minutes. Okay, let's assume 15 minutes have passed and you are still staring at the abyss. It's still black. This means the software has likely crashed in the background. Your phone is actually on, but the display driver or the operating system has frozen completely. It's like a car with the engine running, but the dashboard lights are out. We need to force a restart. This is the magic handshake, the force restart. It's different depending on which iPhone you are holding, so listen carefully to your specific model. If you are holding an iPhone 8, an X, an 11, 12, 13, 14, or the new 15s, basically any modern iPhone without a home button, or the iPhone 8 and SE 2 or 3, here is the rhythm. It's a fast sequence. You ready? It's volume up, volume down, hold the side button. Let's do it together. Press and release volume up quickly. Press and release volume down quickly. Now press and hold that power button on the right side. Do not let go. Keep holding. The screen is black. I know. Keep holding. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep holding. 10. Usually right around here, you see it, the white Apple logo. If you see that apple, let go immediately. You did it! You just crash-landed the plane safely. If you are holding an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you're the middle child. Your method is different. You need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Squeeze them both. Hold, hold, hold. Wait for the Apple logo. Boom! If you are rocking the classics, the iPhone 6s, the 6, or the original SE, you need to press the home button and the power button simultaneously. Hold them down until you see the Apple. Now, if you did that and you saw the Apple logo, congratulations! You can click off this video. Go live your life. But if you did the magic handshake, you held that button for a full 30 seconds and the screen is still black, okay, we are escalating. This is getting serious, but we aren't dead yet. The next culprit could be a rogue app or a corrupted background process that is effectively stunning the phone. But sometimes the screen isn't actually black. Sometimes the backlight is dead. This is a hardware trick. I want you to take your phone into a very dark room or cup your hands tightly around the screen. Get a flashlight, use another phone or a literal flashlight, and shine it directly onto the glass at an angle. Look very, very closely. Can you see a faint, ghostly image of your lock screen? Can you see the time, barely visible? If you can see a ghost image, your software is fine, but your hardware is broken. Your backlight fuse blew or the screen is disconnected. That requires a repair shop. I can't fix that with my voice. But if the screen is totally black, even under the flashlight, it's a software coma. So let's talk about the burp method. This sounds ridiculous, but it works for older phones specifically, though some claim it works on newer ones. It's about physical connection. Sometimes the ribbon cable connecting the LCD to the motherboard gets slightly loose from a drop. I want you to firmly, don't break it, but firmly press down on the area of the screen right around where the camera lens is on the back. Squeeze the top of the phone, front and back, between your thumb and forefinger. Pinch around the top speaker area. Do this while the phone is plugged in. Sometimes, just sometimes, you reseat a pin, the connection flickers, and the screen lights up. Give it a gentle squeeze massage. Nothing? Okay, we move to the big guns. We need a computer. You need a Mac with Finder or a PC with iTunes installed. We are going to try to talk to the brain of the phone directly, bypassing the screen. Connect your iPhone to the computer with that lightning cable. Listen for the sound. Did your computer make the USB connected noise? If it did, that is fantastic news. That means your phone is alive. It's awake. It just can't open its eyes. If the computer sees the phone, it might ask you to trust this computer on the iPhone screen. Obviously, you can't tap trust because the screen is black. This is a catch-22. So we have to enter recovery mode. This forces the phone to accept external commands. Leave it plugged into the computer. We are going to do the button combination again, the volume up, volume down, hold power sequence we did earlier. But this time, do not let go when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding the power button even after the Apple appears. Eventually, the screen should change to a picture of a laptop and a cable. That is recovery mode. Now look at your computer. A window should pop up. It will say something like, "There is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored." This is the most critical moment of the video. Listen to me. You have two options, update or restore. Do not click restore yet. Restore wipes your data. It deletes everything. We do not want that. Click update. iTunes or Finder will try to reinstall the operating system, iOS, without deleting your photos or contacts. It's basically performing brain surgery to fix the glitch without touching your memories. This process can take about 15 minutes. Watch the progress bar on your computer. If the phone exits recovery mode during the download, just wait for the download to finish and do the button combination again. If update works, your phone will reboot, your data will be there, and the screen will turn on. But what if update fails? What if it gives you an error code? Or what if the screen stays black? We have one option left before we call the professionals. It's the nuclear option. It's called DFU mode, Device Firmware Update. This goes deeper than recovery mode. It talks to the hardware before the software even loads. Getting into DFU mode is tricky. It requires ninja timing. Connect the phone to the computer, press volume up, press volume down, hold the power button until the screen goes black, if it isn't already. As soon as the screen is black, press and hold volume down while still holding the power button. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button. Count to 10. If the screen stays completely black, but your computer says iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode, you are in DFU mode. If you see the Apple logo, you held the buttons too long. Start over. In DFU mode, your only option is restore. This is the factory reset. It wipes the phone clean. It installs a fresh version of iOS. If this works, your phone will turn on, but it will be like it came out of the box. You will have to restore from an iCloud backup. If you don't have a backup, well, getting the phone working is better than having a paperweight, right? If you click restore and the process completes and the phone lights up with hello, you win. Now, let's talk about the worst case scenario. You tried the charger, you tried the hard reset, you tried the squeeze. You tried recovery mode update, you tried DFU restore, and it is still black. At this point, we have to face reality. This is likely a hardware failure. But what failed? It could be the display assembly itself. If you dropped your phone, even if the glass didn't crack, the LCD or OLED panel underneath can shatter internally. That leads to the black screen of death. The phone works, vibrates, rings, but shows nothing. The fix? A screen replacement. It could be water damage. Did you drop it in the sink 3 weeks ago? Water damage is insidious. It causes corrosion that grows over time, like mold. It might work fine for a month and then short circuit. Or it could be the logic board. A tiny capacitor, smaller than a grain of sand, could have burned out. If you are at this stage, do not put it in rice. Rice does nothing but get starch in your charging port. Do not put it in the oven. Do not freeze it. You need to take it to a professional. If you had Apple Care Plus, go to Apple. If you don't, find a reputable third-party repair shop that does micro-soldering. That is the key word, micro-soldering. Those are the wizards who can fix board-level issues and actually recover your data if you didn't back it up. But before you go, try the hard reset one more time. Seriously, sometimes the third time is the charm. Volume up, volume down, hold power. Squeeze it tight. And moving forward, let's make a pact. Turn on iCloud backup. Just pay the 99 cents a month for the extra storage. It is cheaper than the tears you will cry if you lose 5 years of photos. Go into your settings right now if you got your phone working, click your name, click iCloud backup, and turn it on. I hope you saw that Apple logo today. I hope your heart rate is back to normal. If this worked for you, tell me which method did the trick. Was it the simple charger weight, the magic button combo, or the DFU restore? Technology is great until it isn't, but usually it's just a little confused. Thanks for letting me help you wake it up. Good luck.